the last thing I need to do before this band has its warm bath for the beginning of wet finishing is to hide this piece of yarn. This is the other end of the new piece that I put in to replace a broken section of the warp. I've threaded it onto my needle and checking what it looks like on the section below, I'll poke it through the band. There we go. We've got a pretty much invisible join there. You can't really tell the difference. And to hide that end, I'll do the same as I did with the knot section earlier and just thread it into the back of the warp. And I'll do the same with the broken end as well, but I'll generally do it in a different direction.